Exploring Los Angeles on just $20 might sound impossible, but with a bit of creativity and a spirit for adventure, it becomes the ultimate travel challenge. Imagine starting your day with the salty breeze and vibrant energy of Venice Beach. The boardwalk bursts with color, from street performers to local art. A big budget to make unforgettable memories. Sometimes the best adventures come from seeing how far a single $20 bill can take you in the City of Angels.
Can you visit LA's most photogenic spots in just one day? Let's find out. As the first light breaks over Runyon Canyon, the city below comes alive with golden hues and panoramic views stretching from downtown to the Pacific. The air is crisp, and the energy of early morning hikers sets the tone for adventure. Next, it's off to Melrose Avenue, where vibrant murals transform blank walls into works of art. Every corner bursts with color. Angel wings, bold street art, and quirky.
What used to take hours now takes minutes. And yeah, it still surprises me every time. Then today I've got something for you. An AI-powered solution that's super affordable and insanely easy. Just a few clicks. And you've got a library of videos ready to post, build your channel, and maybe even go viral. And the best part? I've got a 30% discount code just for you, as a thank you for supporting my channel. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Let's say I'm starting a channel to promote travel around Los Angeles. First, I just go to ChatGPT and ask, give me 10 creative video ideas featuring popular tourist destinations in Los Angeles. And boom, ChatGPT instantly gives me 10 solid content ideas. Now I just copy those ideas, paste them into Videogen, and it turns them into actual videos with voice, visuals, and subtitles.
The boardwalk bursts with color, from street performers.
Sounds pretty cool, right? All right, now go ahead and click the link in the video description. It'll take you to Videogen, create videos in seconds with AI. Trusted by over 3 million professionals, creators, marketers, and businesses. First, click sign up in the top right corner of the screen. I recommend just using your Google account super quick. Now you're on the homepage. Click Upgrade Plan to unlock the Pro version. Yes, it's a paid tool, but honestly, it's 100% worth it. You can either choose the monthly plan at $24 a month or go with the yearly plan. It gives you up to 50% off, so you'll save a lot in the long run. Once you've decided, click Upgrade to Pro, fill in your payment info, and you're good to go. Now go back to the homepage and click New Video. If you want your video made with real-life footage, select Standard Stock. If you prefer AI-generated visuals, go with Generative Images. Under the Landscape section, you can pick vertical videos for TikTok or Shorts, horizontal for regular YouTube, or square for Facebook and Instagram. Since it's a travel topic, I'm gonna demo a horizontal video using images from the standard stock option. Click Continue. In the What is your video about section, I just copied one of the ideas from ChatGPT and pasted it in. Then pick your language here and choose the video length. The shortest is 75 words, that's about 30 seconds. The longest is 1,000 words, around 7 to 8 minutes. Or you can go to custom word count and set a longer script if you want. Just keep in mind, with the Videogen Pro plan, you can generate up to 100 minutes of video per month. Right now, I'm going with 300 words. After that, I clicked the red arrow and waited about 10 seconds. And just like that, the full script appeared on screen. Around 300 words, neatly broken into separate sections. You can review the script and make any edits you like, remove parts, add new ideas, or tweak the wording. On the left corner of each section, there's a 3-dot menu. To add an intro, I click Insert Section above. You'll see options like plain text, title screen, or write with AI. I'm choosing title screen, then I just fill in the title and subtitle boxes and hit Create Title Screen section. Now, it might look like nothing happens, but don't worry. Once the video is generated, you'll see the intro screen right at the start. Next, I go back to the 3-dot menu and select Add Pause. This makes the voiceover pause slightly at the end of each section, which sounds much better. By default, the pause is 1 second, but you can adjust it to 1.5 or 2 seconds if you prefer. I usually add a pause after every section. And finally, I'll add a quick outro. I click New Section at the bottom, choose Text, and type in, "See you next time." Now it's time to choose the voice. On the left side of the screen, you can preview different voices.
Welcome to the future of video. Videogen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. Videogen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
After picking the one you like, make sure to apply it to every section. And that's it. Now just click Generate Video. Videogen AI only takes a few seconds to generate a complete video, with visuals that match the script, voiceover, background music, and subtitles. But the title screen at the beginning only shows text for now. It's waiting for you to choose an image. Just click on this bottom timeline bar and look to the right side of the screen. You'll see free stock videos. I'll try searching a keyword and pick a matching visual. Looks pretty nice, right? If you're not happy with it, just click the image again, hit Replace, and you'll get more options. You can go to Upload Media to use your own image, or if you want a simple style, choose a solid background color. Or go to Generate Image, type your idea, and let AI create something beautiful, fast and easy. You can also replace visuals in any other section the same way. Click on the image, press Replace, and follow the same steps.
Exploring Los Angeles on just $20 might sound impossible, but with a bit of creativity and a spirit for adventure, it becomes the ultimate travel challenge. Imagine starting your day with the salty breeze and vibrant energy of Venice Beach. The boardwalk bursts with color, from street performers to local artists selling handmade
Of course, these are just illustrative footage examples. Anywhere you're not fully satisfied, feel free to replace them with real clips you shot yourself. But even so, this already saves you 10 times the time, right? If you want to change the voice, look to the left panel. You can choose another one anytime. You'll also see the Theme tab. Just click on Title Screen Style and pick the style that fits your vibe. After that, just tap back. You'll notice a box called Caption Preview. Click it to pick the caption style you like. And at the top toolbar, you can adjust caption color, font, size, and placement easily. Now, if you want to change the background music, just click the music icon in the bottom left corner. Under copyright-free music, there are tons of styles: inspirational, calm, dramatic, happy. And you can even adjust the music volume to fit your video vibe. Once you're happy with everything, do a quick review of the full video.
Exploring Los Angeles on just $20 might sound impossible. Just a few dollars, your next stop is the Grove, an outdoor shopping and entertainment destination that's as much about people watching as it is about retail therapy. Instead of splurging, grab a coffee or a pastry from the original farmer's market.
Then hit the share button to finalize it. And make sure to export in 4K quality. That way, your video looks super sharp and professional on YouTube. While waiting for the video to finish rendering, I opened a new Videogen tab and repeated the whole process with a different script. For this one, I'm keeping it short, only 75 words long.
Can you visit LA's most photogenic spots in just one day? Let's find out. As the first light breaks over Runyon Canyon, the city below comes alive with golden hues and panoramic views stretching from downtown to the Pacific. The air is crisp, and the energy of early morning hikers sets the tone for adventure. Next, it's off to Melrose Avenue, where vibrant murals transform blank walls into works of art. Every corner bursts with color.
See? It really just takes a few clicks. And in no time, you've got another beautiful video, fully done and ready to go. Once your video finishes rendering 100%, all you have to do is hit download to save it to your computer. You'll also get an email with the video, so you can re-watch it anytime straight from your inbox. There's also a really cool feature called Create Public View Link. Just click it and it'll generate a link that you can copy and send to others. They can watch the video and even download it directly. Super convenient, right? If you want to revisit your previous projects, just head to the Videogen homepage and check the recent video section. Click on any video name to open the editor. You can tweak the content and export a new version. Or go to Recent Exports to find the final versions you've already generated. One important note, your videos are only saved while your paid plan is still active. If your subscription expires and you forget to renew, all your previous videos will be permanently deleted. Now it's your turn. Start with just one video. You'll be surprised how easy it gets. Whether you're in marketing, business, teaching, or content creation, this tool can seriously boost your output. Remember that 30% discount code I mentioned at the beginning of the video? When you're checking out, just enter the code HERE'S30. It'll help you save a good amount of money. Like this video if it helped, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I've got you.
Don't forget to support Layna AI Studio.